Hey, what's going on, folks? Ontarian here, passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well today. So quick update and more testimonials are coming in, guys. It seems like every week we're getting a new testimonial from our customers on the Sauce Forex trading bot. All right, I'm very excited to share these two new ones. And let me just tell you this, guys. Every single person, every single customer that has purchased the sauce bot from us, and who are following the rules of how we tell them to run it, they are having huge success. They are having very successful campaigns, guys. And again, I'm excited to share these two gentlemen. Now, I'm going to be sharing the testimonials from my stories here on Facebook, okay, to protect the names of the individuals. I'm not going to show their names. I'm just going to show what they wrote to me today. All right. And this was unexpected. I always do these videos to let you guys know that this is authentic. This is nothing scripted. These guys came to me today and said, hey, this is what the bot is doing. I'm loving it. All right. So let's go with the first testimonial. Let me go to my main feed here on Facebook. And let's go to my stories. Here we go right here, guys. Okay. As you can see, let me see if I can stop this real quick. As you can see, he says, thank you for the amazing robot. The sauce, I think that's what he meant to say. The sauce running on a 1-minute chart with the present that you gave me. So he meant to say the present settings that you gave me. And as you can see, guys, and this is a real account, a little bit over 1,000 right there. And he's trading gold. Okay. Now he sent me another screenshot shortly after, right here. You can see that a little bit better. And I put on there, this is my story. I put sauce putting in work on autopilot. So he ended up today with $2,003, guys. That is a very good trading day. Very good profits, guys. Very good profits. Again, as you can see, today is the 23rd of April, 2024. This is a real account from a client. Okay, so he's pretty much mastered this thing with gold, and he said he's loving it. Okay. P.S. And by the way, I got to give a disclaimer, guys. Results are not typical, and the reason I say that is everyone is going to run this bot the way they want to run it. All right. Even though we tell our customers how to do it, how to run it, specifics about it, every single person is going to run it how they want to run it. All right. So just want to get that out there. We don't guarantee any profits. We can't do that. All right. All I can do is show you some testimonials and let you know that the potential of it and what it can do for you. All right. All right. Next one right here. I just got this one. I just got this one in my Telegram. Okay. Just got it. And he said, this is a private Telegram message. He said, you should publicize the bot more heavily. It's kicking ass. You should also consider a TG group. Okay, I think he's talking about Telegram for SauceBot. For SauceBot talks so users can compare settings. FYI, or for your information, I started with $620, and 4 trading days later, I'm up 111%. Wow. And now he's over $1,300. That's amazing, man. These are the stories I'll be looking for, guys. These are the stories that I crave. And there's other ones out there that just haven't shared their story with me, their testimonial, guys. This thing works. It works. And then of course I showed you guys a while back. I showed you a while back that we have got a lady. I'm not going to tell you her name, but she's been using the bot well over a year, and she's having consistent gains every single week. She's averaging about 20 to 30% conservatively a month. Okay, and she's happy with that. So, guys, the sauce bot is still in effect, even though you guys see me promote other things. Understand that everything I got going on in the Forex market, in the Forex industry, the bot, the PAMM account, they're still running very well, going very well. Okay. P.S. By the way, I did open up a new Telegram chat about a week, not even a week ago. So I want you guys to join that. It's going to be below this video. I have a step-by-step passive generational wealth plan laid out for you guys. So if you follow that to the T, you're going to be set in a year or less. Okay, and there's some goodies in there. There's some goodies in there, guys. So again, join my Telegram. Pick up my sauce bot. Let us get you started on the sauce. But you want to join the phases. I have about, let's see, between 5 and 7 phases in my Telegram group on that's going to help you in the passive income world. It's going to help you stay focused. It's going to give you a plan of action. Okay, and it's going to help you for a very long time. So, looking forward to having you. Looking forward to have you as a customer on the sauce bot. And if you ever have any questions, again, you can feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or book a time to speak with me. I'll be happy to help you. All right. You guys take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you soon.